Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English speaking and listening club. I hope you're doing well and staying positive. Today I want to share something very close to my heart. We all go through ups and downs, challenges and confusions in life. Sometimes we wonder, am I on the right path? Am I making the right choices? That's why today's topic is life advice. These are not just lessons from books, but real advice that can guide you, motivate you, and help you live a better life. So listen carefully. Take what connects with you and apply it step by step. Advice 1. Take responsibility for your life. No one is coming to save you. Not your parents, not your friends, not luck. If you want to improve your life, you must take responsibility. Stop blaming others, stop blaming situations. The moment you say, "It's up to me," your life starts changing. Advice 2. Don't compare yourself with others. We live in a world of social media where everyone shows their best moments, perfect vacations, expensive cars, smiling selfies. But remember, people show highlights, not reality. Comparison only steals your happiness. Focus on your own journey. Advice 3. Health is real wealth. Money is important, but without health, money is useless. Exercise regularly, eat balanced food, and take care of your mind. Even 20 minutes of walking daily can transform your energy. A healthy body creates a strong mind, and a strong mind creates success. Advice 4. Keep learning. Always school or college is not the end of learning. Life is a continuous classroom. Read books, take courses, learn skills, listen to wise people. Knowledge makes you valuable, and valuable people always create opportunities. Advice 5. Time is more precious than money. You can earn back lost money, but you can never earn back lost time. Be careful how you spend your hours. Don't waste them on gossip, endless scrolling, or things that don't help you grow. Protect your time because it's your life. Advice 6. Failures are lessons. Don't be afraid of failing. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of success. Every successful person has failed many times. What makes them different is that they learn from mistakes and keep moving forward. Advice 7. Build strong relationships. At the end of the day, what matters most is not money or fame, but relationships. Spend time with your family, care for your friends, respect people. A good relationship is like an investment. It gives you joy, support, and love throughout life. Advice 8. Practice gratitude. Every morning, remind yourself of things you are grateful for. It could be your health, your family, your home, or simply the fact that you are alive today. Gratitude changes your perspective. Instead of complaining, you start appreciating, and that creates happiness. Advice 9. Take risks. While you're young, many people play safe their whole life and then regret not taking chances. If you're young, explore, try new things, start projects, travel, learn skills. Don't let fear of failure stop you. You will either succeed or learn, but you will not regret. Advice 10. Save and invest. Early, don't spend all your money on temporary pleasures. Start saving and investing, even if it's a small amount. Money grows with time. The earlier you start, the more freedom you'll have in the future. Advice 11. Focus on your mental health. In today's busy world, stress and anxiety are very common. Don't ignore your mental health. Meditate, talk to someone you trust, take breaks, and learn to say no when necessary. A peaceful mind is more powerful than a restless one. Advice 12. Be kind. Always. Kindness costs nothing but means everything. A kind word, a small smile, or helping someone in need can make a big difference. People may forget what you said, but they'll never forget how you made them feel. Advice 13. Dream big. Start small. Don't limit your dreams, but remember that every big achievement starts with small steps. Want to write a book? Start with 1 page. Want to be fit? Start with 10 minutes of exercise. Small steps taken daily create big results. Advice 14. Don't fear change. Life will not always stay the same. Friends may leave, jobs may end, opportunities may come and go. Instead of fearing change, accept it. Change is growth, and growth is life. Advice 15. Never stop improving yourself. The best investment you can ever make is in yourself. Improve your skills, your mindset, your habits. If you become a better version of yourself every day, success will follow you automatically. Advice 16. Avoid negative people. Not everyone wants to see you grow. Some people will discourage you, pull you down, or fill your mind with negativity. Protect your energy. Surround yourself with people who inspire, motivate, and uplift you. Advice 17. Enjoy the journey, not just the destination. We often think, I'll be happy when I get that job, that car, that house. But true happiness comes from enjoying the process, not just the result. Celebrate small victories along the way. Advice 18. Believe in yourself. The world will doubt you. People will criticize you. But if you don't believe in yourself, nothing works. Self-belief is your strongest weapon. Tell yourself every day, I am capable, I am strong, I can do this. Advice 19. Give back when you grow in life. Don't forget to give back. Help your family, your community, or someone in need. True wealth is not what you keep, but what you share. Advice 20. Live in the present moment. Many people are stuck in the past or worried about the future, but life is happening right now, in this moment. Learn to enjoy the present. Smile more. Laugh more. Appreciate what you have today. So, my friends, these were some powerful life advice tips that can truly change your life if you practice them. Remember, life is short, but if you live it wisely, it becomes beautiful. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more motivational and English-speaking content.